Give me a hell yeah!
What's going on, everybody? Back again, another video today. I got a little package here I got from A-Main. I was recently cruising their website at the Scale Accessories, and they now are selling some stuff specifically for the Proline body, the Power Wagon body rather, from Proline. So I ordered these, so I'll open them up and show you. Probably knife's not very sharp, but I'm in. Alright, here they are. Nothing crazy, but they're just some wipers here for my Power Wagon. Here they are. Just little 3D printed ones. It says exclusive RC Proline Dodge Power Wagon wipers. So, let's see what they're like. Every 3D printed thing is a little different. So they seem to make a couple different kinds. They have, I think, just different kinds of plastic. They were out of stock on one, so I got these. But, you know, I figured it didn't really matter too much because they're just wipers. I'll get them glued on. So I don't know how well they're going to show up on the camera, but you can see them here, how they look. Not bad. So I think I'm going to paint this part chrome. I got some chrome paint. And then I'll leave that part black. We'll see. I got to do a little research and see what they look like. So I'm going to bring the camera in close here and try to get some light for you guys so you can see what they look like. But this is going to add some more detail. They are selling some door panels, a seat, like a full. They sell a full interior kit. I'll put the link in the description. The stuff is pretty crazy. I already got my little interior going if you've been following my build, so I don't need a lot of that stuff. But it looks like you can't get some of the stuff without ordering the whole kit, but you can buy some of the stuff separate. So I'll put the link and you guys can check it out. It's pretty cool. It's nice to have options to get other, scale stuff like this instead of, having to make it all yourself. I tried making some styrene wipers, but they just kind of don't have that detail that I was looking for. So I put the stickers on, and then I lost one sticker, so I'm only rocking one wiper. But I ordered these, so I'm going to get these all painted up, and we'll be able to see what they look like once they are all on. So I'm going to tape this up so I don't get any of the chrome paint on there, and I get these painted up and installed, and then I'll show you guys the final product. But I just wanted to share this with you, so stay tuned here and you can see what it looks like when it is all done. Alright, here we go. Here's the final product. I painted that part silver. I went over the 3D plastic with some black. I need to clean it up a little bit and remove some of the excess shoe glue. But that's how they look on there. Pretty clean. I think they could have been maybe a tad bit bigger, but overall I'd say they're pretty good. I would say 8 out of 10 for sure.
And that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so.
Alright everyone, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you liked it, and I will throw the links in the description so you can check out these Power Wagon parts yourself if you're interested in doing something like this to your Power Wagon body. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please.